In this video, I will show you how to make these images for free. Open the browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can take your prompt and description. Click on Create. Click on Image Preview. If you want to download this, then open this website named remaker.ai. Click on Face Swap. Now upload your images. Click on Swap. Simply click on Download here. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.